Today we'll be refurbishing this AGS-001 Game Boy Advance SP. It's in pretty rough cosmetic appearance, but turns on and runs games perfectly. We'll clean up the electronics and then replace the shell and battery. First, we'll shut the Game Boy off and remove the battery. There's just one screw. You can see this battery's a little bit bloated. Not a good sign. Next, we need to remove the 6 screws on the bottom. I usually like to draw out the device on a piece of paper and set the screws there to keep track. Now we can gently remove the back shell. Remove 3 screws from the motherboard. Take out the volume and power sliders. Then flip the device around. Be very, very careful of the ribbon cable going through the top of the device. Carefully release the 2 clips beside the ribbon cable. Pry the speaker out. Now remove the screw behind the ribbon cable. Next, we need to remove the 5 pads and screws from around the screen. Be careful not to slip and scratch the screen. Shut the Game Boy and pull off the plastic lid. Gently pop the screen out. Again, be careful with the ribbon cable. Use a flathead to push in the little clips on the hinges. Now we'll clean up the motherboard. For this, you'll want 91% isopropyl alcohol, a soft toothbrush, and some Q-tips. For the screen, I used just a little bit of water instead of alcohol. We're ready to install the new shell. I've chosen a transparent green. From here on, it's just the reverse process of what we just did. I really like the transparent green. I think it looks great. Let's put the battery back in and fire it up. Turns on. Let's see if it runs games. Looks like it's all good to go.